How to clear clipboard on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear your clipboard on an Android phone. So maybe you have copied something you don't want hanging around anymore. No worries, I've got you covered. So now without further ado, let's get started. So alright, here is a super simple way to clear your clipboard using the Gmail app. So go ahead and open the Gmail and start typing a new email, or you can simply open up your draft and this will bring up your keyboard. And now you look closely at the clipboard, you'll see a clipboard icon. Right now it's above the letter T and Y. But if you don't see the clipboard icon right away, you can just tap on the app icon, which can be seen at the upper left corner of the keyboard. And once you tap on it, you will see the list of options and it should be listed there. And once you tap on clipboard icon, you will see your clipboard history. In my case, I've got hello archaeologist and it's repeated in that way. So now to clear everything, just tap and hold on the one of the clipboard icon, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, simply tap on the option labeled as delete and boom, your clipboard is now completely cleared. And that's it. Super easy, right? With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.